Welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to do an unboxing of this Vevor tool. What is it? Let me show you. Let's get started. Let's get started. In this video, as you guys know, that I am gonna be replacing the engine to my daughter's vehicle. This engine just gave out, just blew, so we're gonna be replacing it, and we're gonna be using a couple of tools by Vevor. So I'm gonna open this box, I'm gonna assemble it, and you guys are gonna see what it is. This is gonna be used for that. So let me open it up and show you how it is. Here it is. That was a quick assembly, but there it is. It's an engine stand. That way I can work on the engine once I remove it. If I need to remove parts from it to install to the other one, I do have the engine stand. And this is made by Vevor. Really high quality, guys. Real sturdy. Everything that is going to be needed. Perfect. Whoops. But extremely high quality material from Vevor. I'm going to leave all the information to their company as to where you can get all kinds of tools for your vehicle. They got everything, guys. Everything. Right there, guys, and you saw how quick it was for me to assemble it. Real simple, real easy, and it's ready for that motor. Either I'm gonna put the new motor here so I can transfer stuff from there, or I'm gonna put the old motor so I can transfer stuff. I'm gonna see how I'm gonna do it, but this is one of the parts that I do need, and it's here, and we're gonna be doing it. So stay tuned for the swap of the engine. It's coming soon, guys. And this is gonna be it, guys. This is gonna be it for this video. It's a real short video of the unboxing and assembly of this motor stand from Vevor. Thank you very much, guys. Like always, stay safe, have a great weekend, have a great Thanksgiving, and I'll see you next coming weekend. Like always, stay safe and God bless.